Zambia is known for its copper. It's a big part of their economy. But Zambia also has other treasures, underground emeralds. These green gems are famous worldwide. To make the mining business even better, the government decided to give them a tax break in 2025. They called it a tax holiday. A tax holiday means mining companies don't have to pay certain taxes for a while. The government did this, hoping more companies would invest in Zambia. More investment could mean more jobs for Zambians and more money for the country. It's like when your favorite clothing store has a sale. They hope to attract more customers. However, some people were worried. They remembered that Zambia tried this before and it didn't always go well. Would this tax holiday really help everyone or just benefit the big mining companies? Please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. When the tax holiday was announced, some people in the gem industry were happy. Victor Kalesha, a leader in the emerald business, had warned that the tax would hurt the industry. He was relieved when the government listened and suspended the tax. Big companies like Gemfields, who own a huge emerald mine in Zambia, also liked the tax break. They said it would help them keep the mines running. But then something strange happened. Gemfields decided to pause their mining operations anyway. They said it was to save money. This made people nervous. If the company was pausing work, even with the tax break, what did it mean for the future? What would happen to the miners' jobs if the company didn't start digging again? One of the biggest concerns about the tax holiday is that it might actually hurt Zambia in the long run. When the government gives a tax break, they collect less money in taxes. This is like when you spend money on a new phone. You have less money left for other things you might need later. The government uses tax money to pay for important things like schools, hospitals, and roads. With less money coming in, these services might suffer. Imagine a school without enough books or a clinic without enough medicine. That's what could happen if the government doesn't have enough money. Some people argue that the tax holiday will attract more investment, which will eventually lead to more jobs and more tax revenue. But others are worried that the government is giving up too much money up front and that the promised benefits might never materialize. The tax holiday introduced in 2021 is a risky bet. The government is hoping for a positive outcome, but the future is uncertain. It's akin to a lottery. The stakes are high and the losses could be devastating. The true challenge lies in whether the tax holiday can foster lasting economic growth and uplift the lives of ordinary Zambians. This involves creating well-paying jobs, enhancing education and healthcare, and safeguarding the environment. The government must tread carefully to avoid over-dependence on mining companies and their assurances. Diversification into other economic sectors is crucial to ensure that the fruits of economic growth are equitably distributed among all Zambians, not just a privileged few. The fate of Zambia's mines and its people hangs in the balance.